Hi, I'd like to show you very quickly how you can further customize this for your students. If you go down to slide 45, you'll notice that everything after this slide are templates that you can use for your class. All you need to do is go ahead and add a text box and begin typing. Then, once you've customized the slide, all you need to do is go ahead and drag and drop it to wherever you'd like it to be in your presentation. If you would like to add an extra slide, I have some additional layouts right here, and you just need to drag and drop. If you'd like to add a blank slide, that's first, and the rest of the templates are right in here. Now, one more thing that I'd like to show you very quickly is the master view. If you go to View and go to the master view essentially is the background where this drag and drop comes from. If you would like to make a slide, but you don't want the students to be able to move the text on the slide, the master view is a great place to do it. So imagine that you want to customize the vocabulary. Instead of doing it in the slide at the very end where the students would be able to move your text, you can type your new text right into the slide. And let's just type the word vocabulary. Okay. This becomes a master slide. So imagine if you'd like to add this with vocabulary after slide 52, go to the drop down, find the slide that you just created right here, and it has the word vocabulary on it, and now the students cannot move it. So hopefully that's a little tip that will help you just a little bit. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at Carrie@Beakers & Inc., and I'd be glad to help you the best that I can.